Hello everybody, this is Ricky from Ricky's Train Videos. Today is going to be part 2 in the comparison series. I am going to be comparing the MTH Premier SD70 Ace and the Lionel Legacy SD70 Ace. In this video, I am going to be doing a price and feature comparison, and at the end I will run each engine. The first engine I'm going to be comparing is the MTH Premier SD70. Yes, this is the brand new MTH Premier Spirit of the Union Pacific, number 1943. This is an amazing engine, just as the Legacy one. And first of all, we're going to go over the features of this, and then we're going to go with the features of the Legacy one. I'm going to do a brief overview. You could go back in my channel and see the full overview of this engine. And we are going to be doing a little more detail on the other SD70 because I have not done a review on that one yet. Up here we have some nice separately applied details, as well as a detachable snowplow and operating protocoupler, operating ditch lights, headlights, number boards, interior headlights. On the side there are the really nice trucks and metal chassis and plastic body. On top, we have the operating proto-smoke unit. Towards the rear of the locomotive, there is the other operating proto-coupler and the operating backup light. This is the Lionel Legacy SD70 Ace. Up here, we have the operating proto-coupler and some separately applied details, as well as metal handrails. Coming around here, we have the interior cab figures and cab light, as well as number boards. This is an all-plastic body and metal chassis. Operating smoke unit. Towards the back, there is the other operating coupler and some more separately applied details. I'm now going to go over the prices and features of these engines. Retail price for the MTH Premier engine is $500, however 1943 is $530. If you look at the 1943 up here on the top, you could see that there is some more separately applied details, and as well the handrails are a little more slim, not as wide a diameter as the Lionel one. Also, this thing has PFA, which is not like the Lionel one, because Lionel just has the Union Pacific 8444, am I clear? Roger, you're clear. And in order to have more features, you would have to get the station sounds boxcar or freight car that would give you that sound, but again, that is an added price. Whereas with the MTH engine, you can get all the yard sounds, which is different each time you play it, and other different sounds. The MTH engines, most of them have road-specific dialogue. For example, Amtrak 42, the P42 says, "Now arriving from Houston on track 1, train number 5, the Texas Eagle." That is clearly Amtrak. Amtrak does operate the Texas Eagle, where if you are saying that for a New York Central engine, that would obviously be incorrect. The 1943 comes with Proto-Sound 3.0. That is MTH's best sound system that they have, and the Legacy engine comes with the Lionel retail Legacy. On SD70 ACEs for Lionel is $500, but however, Lionel's new 1943 is retail is $600, which is a huge difference as compared to the MTH one. As mentioned before, the 8444 just has simple departure and arrival features. It does not have any more complex crew talk. Now I'm going to be doing a short overview of the sounds and operational features on this engine, and then I will do the same thing with the Lionel engine. By pressing 3 on the DCS handheld, I can start the engine up, so let's find out what happens. When I start up the engine, the headlights come on, the number boards come on, and the interior cab light come on. In addition, the smoke unit is going to start warming up. This is the horn. The bell. As you just heard, there was some random crew talk sequence. I do not control that. That just happened at random, which is what I do like about this engine. However, I can trigger some crew talk, which I will do right now.
Local freight calling dispatcher, over.
This is dispatcher. You want clearance out of the yard, don't you?
That's correct, over.
So by scrolling through the engine sounds... So by scrolling through the engine sounds on the handheld, I can trigger different sounds. Let's move this baby out. I have now put 8444 on the track with the power on. As different to the MTH engine, the lights are already on, which is something that I don't really like on this engine. However, I am using the TMCC base with this. I have it hooked up to my TIU. So with the Legacy, you would obviously get more features. By pressing 3 on the DCS handheld, let's see what happens. That is the startup sequence on this. If you're using Legacy, you would be able to get a more extended startup with some crew talk in there. Let's check out the horn. So by pressing the horn just 4 times, that last one I did get a different tone there, which is something I do like about this engine. Here's the bell. By pressing aux 1, 2 on the handheld, I can trigger some sounds.
Dispatcher, this is UP 8444 here. Am I clear? Over.
Negative 8444.
Hold for my clearance. Over. Understood. Standing by. 8444 out.
That is one of the crew talk sequences on here. Let's move this engine out and see what it looks like in motion. That pretty much wraps it up for this review, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. If I did not mention something in this video that you would like to know, please do not hesitate to comment in the bar below. I will happily answer your question to the best of my ability. Also, if you are looking for the full complete list of features, you can always look online or in the product catalogs, where you can find every single feature that these locomotives offer that I may have missed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.